Okay, everybody, this is Barksdale with Viz 3D Space. Wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial today on how to use our um, photography login and the photography app that we've got. So this is going to be from a browser side. So if you go here and you go to our website, you'll go to viz3dspace.com, and there's two places. Now, if you're accessing this via your app on your phone, or a tablet, it's going to look slightly different. You'll actually have an app in the App Store. We'll cover that later. But you have two places. You have photography login here and here. I just go to this button instinctively. Um, that'll load up for us. Okay. You'll hit the landing page where you'll see everybody's sites that are currently being done. And then if you don't have an account, you can click register. If you're currently logged in, you can just click place order, or in our case, we'll go ahead and log in. Logged in here, and this will be kind of like your dashboard. We'll just navigate through it a little bit. So you got dashboard, your sites, your account, and then if you have support questions, then you can always log out here. So this will show your current property sites, kind of where um, they're at. Delivery only will just mean that you just got the photos delivered. You didn't do any of the other add-ons. You just had the media delivered to you. This one is pending. That'll be like the full property site, marketing kit, the whole nine. And if you just looking to order a shoot, we'll go to order a photo shoot now. Okay, once you're here, it won't let you proceed until you kind of enter in your stuff. So we'll just do our office address, South Brindley Mountain Parkway. We'll say that 5,000 square feet. Try to be accurate on your square footage if you can. Ballparks are fine, but this also calculates your pricing and stuff. And if we come out there and it's significantly larger, then we'll have to adjust. But it should auto calculate for us. So in this case, we would, check off, maybe Matterport is what we want. I want to do some photography as well. Again, this is calculated for like a 5,000 square foot house, not our standard. Our standard is like 185. If you want virtual staging, you could do that. And then maybe a property website. So when you check this off, the marketing, the property website comes with pre-made social media content as well as flyers, the property website. Um, it comes with like some lead tracking stuff. This has got all kinds of good little teaser videos, things like that, things that are ready to click to share. Okay, and once you get everything selected, it'll activate your appointment time. These are the first three available appointments is what it's default to. If this don't work for you, no problem. You can click no, show me the calendar, and I want to book a time. So you could say, hey, I want to book, 9 o'clock, right? And we're gonna go here and look at that. Yep, we're good. Appointment on hold. Great. Or hey, maybe I need something further out. You got some options here. If there's a lockbox on the property, you need to put this in here. Won't let you go any further. We'll just say it's a lockbox. And then additional information. This is where we put our lockbox code. We'll say that's our code. And then if you had any special instructions like capture pond, pick of the garden, pick of the house with the lake view. Any kind of special instruction stuff, put it in there. If there's a pet to be put up or something to look out for, you can put that in here as well. Hey, I want to make sure I captured this shower. I want to accent this fireplace. Whatever you need to do to highlight the property, this is where you're going to kind of denote that so the photographers aren't kind of guessing there. They know what you want highlighted. You'll come down here. You'll verify your billing information, just whatever that needs to be. Mine's set to an admin account right now, so my order total is 0. Yours would show this number up here. And if you had any promo codes or referral codes or discounts that we give throughout the year and you apply them to your order, you would see that you saved here. This would also populate that you save money if you're on our monthly account. We'll do the billing separately outside of that, so it'll still rack up as saved. And then when you get done, you'll click place my order. And once that's submitted, you will actually see a confirmation email come through, as well as push notifications if you have those enabled, that you have been scheduled. Looking forward to working with you, and I'll have details on, hey, this is how you prep your property for their shoot. Now, kind of stepping back to the dashboard real quick. When you're here, if you want quick access to like your site, say you like if you have a site, these are just go to download pages for the media. This is your download center. You can, this one's just a Matterport, so you know your URL or the embed code, and you can play it from there. Let's get back. I believe this one was just a Matterport as well. So let's go to download on this property. So this property had a download media center. We had MLS photos. You can do a download all, or you can download them individually. We also had a marketing kit done. So I'm going to take a look at the marketing kit. That's going to show me all of our pre-made stuff. And this is where you can add property info. You can upload any logos that you need. You can update your profile. This is everything that's populated here, right? So these are pre-made. I have an AI that makes these. Same with the stories and posts. You can download. If you're on your phone and you're connected to social media, this will actually be a share button. You can click edit. It's a Canva based product, or type template. So you can click, you can say, hey, you know, I don't like that image in the back right there, but maybe I want that one. And it'll auto switch that. There it is. Or yeah, I want the one with the land. You can kind of just pick and choose, save it, and you're good to go. Same story for the rest of these posts, but you have a substantial amount of content that's pre-made for you. It's formatted for the different types of media. You do have the property websites, right? So let's preview the site. Okay, it's pinned in. This hosts all of your media that you get from us. So if it's photos, if you had a Matterport, that would be hosted here as well. And then if I had entered in all the information on this property, you would have had a block of text up here talking about our information. You can go to printable flyer from here. So as you're sharing the site, if you wanted a client to be able to print a flyer to have, it would be just whatever format you had here. Okay. Down at the bottom, if a client, say you share this on social media and somebody fills in the message, that's directed to your email account, as well as, hey, there's an interactive map they can click and get directions to the property. Coming down through here, here's some different templates that you can use for the website. We can turn on more, like you go down through here, you go to more themes. There's a bunch of them. Print ready flyers, you can also switch those up. Again, more there. Weekly traffic report. So if you have this submitted and this is a live site, you can say, hey, I want to view the current report. It'll just show you what your traffic looks like. You can also schedule this to go to a customer, and that'll be sent to them at whatever interval you set. Going back to our dashboard, it'll keep lifetime hits, active sites that you've been doing, so you can see what our content is doing for you. Let's go to the sites tab. So these are all of them that I've done in the past. There's a good history of the sites that have been created. If I go to my account, this is where I can upload my headshots. If I had a background image I wanted, any logos I want displayed, and then you can edit all this stuff. If you had a website you wanted to tie to it, an inventory website, you can update billing information here, hook up all your social media to it, and that's when they're on the sites. These are ways they click to get to you. I'll go back to one of the sites and show you in a moment. You can set up default designs for the flyer, for the site, default thumbnail images, all that. Current list page or client list pages, you can go here, check out some of this information. You can see your reports, if your purchase history and your account access. So, tax time, end of the year, you can go to your reports and just download it. And that's a good way to submit it to your tax guy for write-offs, payment types. You can just enter in your cards. If you have any invoices, they'll be here. And then again, password update. There's an app integration thing. So if you have a YouTube channel that you want to hook up, or maybe a Vimeo channel, you can authorize it, hook it up, and then as you purchase these things from us, these videos will auto upload, or you can choose to share them at different intervals directly to your site, just like you would straight to Facebook. Support is just that. That's getting in touch with us. I'll go back to the dashboard real quick. I want to show you that one site. So if I go to the site and I've got my social hooked up, I can click Facebook. And if you hook your Facebook up to this, then it goes directly to your site. Hey, I want to share this direct. And if you're not a client logged in and you're a customer that clicks one of these, it's going to take them to your social platform. Okay. If you guys have any questions concerning this stuff, feel free to reach out. I'll cover some more of these things in more detail later on. Thanks, and we will talk to you next time.